something to say. It's been 2 weeks, February 28, 2021 to be exact, since I uploaded my weekly progress in growing sunflower seeds. I have 2 reasons. First one is I couldn't record or film last week because of the storm, which was not very strong but continuous, so my sunflower plants fainted and broke. I was worried that they might all be ruined, and thankfully there was still something left. And I used to have 70 seedlings until it became 32 now. And another reason is my phone is running out of space and I need to clean it up. But that wasn't enough, and I couldn't delete because I have a lot of important documents, files, and of course the copy of the modules.